everyone, it's Mommy Kath of Kitty Mama PH.
Hi, my name is Honey Waris Ong. I'm 30 something years old. I'm a graphic designer, a social media marketing manager, and an aromatherapy certification student.
Hello everybody, my name is Lourdes Margarita Caballero. I'm 37 years old and I'm development communication specialist working on local and international development projects.
Hi everyone, kumusta mo tanan? I am Xerxes and I am a certified essential oil specialist as well as a certified aromatherapist here in Cebu.
So, I've been wanting to join a support group of essential oil enthusiasts here in the Philippines. So, I did an FB search, and that search came up with Essential Oil Philippines. I checked their group info, and what got my attention are the following: their focus of safe essential oil usage and no promotion of essential oil ingestion. These two facts resonated well with me because I have the same advocacy as them. It is my desire to promote the safe usage of essential oils here in our country, as I've witnessed a lot of people using essential oils without caution.
Okay, so about 2 years ago, I was trying to search on Facebook a support group on how I can effectively and safely use essential oils. So aside from the group that I'm in, na yung brand ng essential oils na ginagamit ko, I was also trying to find a group na parang option ba for knowledge. So when I searched on Essential Oils Philippines, so yun, nag-pop out yung group. So I joined right away.
I studied to be a certified aromatherapist for two reasons. First, I wanted to create something that smelled really nice, connected me with the outdoors, with nature, and that wasn't so expensive compared to other brands that I see in the malls or stores. The second reason is I wanted to create something that was safe to use for myself and for my loved ones and friends when I make products for them. I already made the mistake and I got myself into the emergency room because of wrong usage, and I don't want that to happen again to myself or anybody else.
I am a type of person who likes to learn new things. It motivates me. And I agree with this quote by B.B. King. The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away. Having said that, before enrolling to be a certified aromatherapist, I unfortunately heeded some advices of essential oil users. These advices are not supported by proper research or certified aromatherapists. So sadly, I practice and save essential oil usage. As a result, my husband's minor tooth pain became worse and he felt burning sensation on the area where the undiluted oil was applied. It led me to study about aromatherapy and impress a goal in my heart to make products that are made of organic materials and are safe to use.
The reason why I wanted to pursue in aromatherapy because again, I've been using oil since 2012. My experiences with it is really extensive, and even though with those years, I still wanted to widen my knowledge with it, especially in aromatherapy. I started to use different brands of essential oils, both local and international, and even up to this very moment, I really try to still seek different brands of oils because we have to explore and experience it ourselves to know what works for us and what may not work for us, so we have to really try different brands.
Well, I actually have my own brand, which is Kitty Mama, wherein I offer all natural alternatives for healing and wellness made from essential oils. So with that being said, I want to have this in-depth knowledge about essential oils. Alam mo yon, yung hindi lang yung nababasa ko sa Google or nababasa ko sa group. Iba if you study it talaga, so you will be credible and you have this knowledge, mas deeper yung knowledge mo about essential oils if you study aromatherapy. So with that, I can assure my buyers, my distributors na safe talaga yung mga products namin. Kasi, for example, the safety alone, yung mga dilution guidelines. So it's all being followed with my brand. So that's the primary reason why I studied aromatherapy. Kasi, yun nga, you have to be credible. Dapat alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Hindi lang yung kuha ka ng kuha lang ng mga recipe sa Google and you don't know if that's safe, di ba?
Oh, there are a lot. But I guess the main focus would be the first is the casual or daily ingestion of oils, especially the drop an oil or two in your coffee, tea, or warm water. I realized that it isn't effective and can actually do more harm than good. Oils and water don't mix, and this practice is as good as ingesting essential oils. If lemon essential oil can melt plastics, remove stubborn stains, and tarnish wood surfaces, imagine what it can do to our internal organs if taken orally. The second thing that I've learned is the dilution ratio for topical blends. I used to concoct blends with no proper dilution guide, and I once put 30 drops of essential oils in a 10 ml bottle for a massage blend, and that's a clear no-no. In my studies, it is best to start with a low dilution rate, and it's also best to check the profile, like the age and medical history of the person who needs it, the purpose of the blend, and the size of the container.
Ay, sobrang dami. Sobrang dami, as in I cannot count it using my fingers alone. So one is yung neat application. Before, alam ko pwede siya. Like one drop or two, ganon. And also for ingestion. To be honest, I tried ingesting essential oils before, lalo na yung for slimming, yung grapefruit, lemon, whatsoever. And when I studied aromatherapy, wow, talagang hindi talaga siya pwede. But before that, before I studied aromatherapy, nabasa ko na ito sa EOP na hindi talaga bawal yung ingestion. So, yon, good thing EOP is there, so alam ko na. So, when I studied aromatherapy, I was able to understand more kung bakit bawal siya. And also, diffusion, di ba? Topical application. Madaming yung mga alam ko dati, yung when I first used essential oils, wow, mali pala. So, I need to change it. So, good thing I had EOP with me, and now I'm currently finishing up my aromatherapy course. So, parang mas perfect. Yun.
So what is the difference now after enrolling the course? Well, in the previous years, I tend to not care about the safety use of essential oils. Sometimes I even try to use undiluted essential oils on my skin, which is a big no-no. So after I enrolled in the course, that's where I learned more about the purity test of the essential oils. Like I'm talking about the GCMS testing. And right now, it has been my personal choice that for therapeutic purposes, if I'm going to use it with my clients, I would only use oils that I know that I'm confident that I have their purity test. For those companies who cannot provide me with those information, I may not use their oils for the specific therapeutic purpose. However, I might use them in other products, like say in room sprays or linen sprays or cleaners for that matter. But as to a specific purpose that would concern the holistic approach in aromatherapy, I would only use brands or companies that could provide me with a purity test, just to give me assurance and just to give me confidence that what I'm using is really pure essential oils.
Before, I thought that only price and fragrance mattered. When it came to choosing oils or buying aromatherapy products. And after studying the full course, I learned that it's important to really consider the unique needs of each person, because there is no one size fits all when it comes to aromatherapy. And it's important to look at the science behind it. and consider the lifestyle, the medical background, the sustainability of the products that we're using, the budget. So all these little things that I didn't consider before, now I realize they are important.
So my advice to all the newbies out there, and for those who are really interested with essential oils, or those who wanted to pursue a career in aromatherapy, I would highly recommend to enroll yourself in a school that provides certification courses. There are also a number of online schools that could provide you with free introductory courses of essential oils, and it's learning beyond what you normally read online or from product information of the company selling oils. If you have yourself educated with it, then the possibilities are there if if you want to widen your knowledge with essential oils. And please continue to use different brands of essential oils and find out what works for you, because there are other brands that may not work for other people. But again, I would say that experience is the best teacher. So it's really up to you guys. Continue to explore. Don't stick to a particular brand. Try to, if you could afford to try all the brands of essential oils, then do so.
So my advice for those who are new to essential oils is always look out for informations about the safety guidelines of these highly concentrated substances. Most especially if you do diffusion, you do topical application, inhalation, ganon. So with this, you will be able to really get the good benefits of essential oils. Tapos, considering the safety of it. So, yun, isa yun. Second is, really avoid ingestion. Not unless a medical practitioner or a certified aromatherapist is there guiding you. Kasi, then again, I've said earlier, these are highly concentrated substances and you don't want them inside your stomach. Diba? The linings inside our tummy are really sensitive, even our esophagus. So, please try to avoid ingestion as much as possible. And then, do not allow your babies to be exposed in these oils, lalo na for the newborns. So always and always consider safety when it comes to using essential oils.
And my advice to those who are newbies, like anything that we love, this requires time and patience, because it's an exciting journey and it's worth every moment, because it's going to connect us not only to ourselves but to nature, because we're spending time with plants, we're spending time with natural ingredients. So it is a fun journey and there's a lot of science to learn, and I never realized it could be that much fun. So I hope everyone will consider learning aromatherapy in depth.
Never stop learning. Do your research. And never believe those catchy photos pinned or posted in social media unless backed by medical research. When in doubt, seek advice from certified aromatherapists or essential oil specialists. Be cautious, but have fun as well. Believe me, the words safe usage and fun are not meant to be separated. We can still enjoy these God-given gifts, but with safe practices in mind.